The news in detail. Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Urban Affairs, Sniaw Bahalang Dhar, responded to a question raised by Maulai MLA Bright Starwell Marbanyang about the painting project on the main Secretariat Road. The Deputy Chief Minister explained that the interventions are in line with geometric designs standards for urban roads and streets. Opposition leader Dr. Mukul Sangma raised a supplementary question on concerns about potential distractions caused by the road painting. In response, Dhar clarified that the project adheres to the Indian Road Congress Code, which governs geometric design standards. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma also weighed in, emphasizing the government's effort to decongest the city, with plans to make 30% of the area non-motorable, allowing for more pedestrian-friendly spaces.
With regards to the Honourable Minister's reply to 4B, I would like to know whether the different painted colours like yellow, white, green, purple, orange, etc. are permissible.
Mr. Speaker, as per road marking, as per IRC 35 standard, the color used normally is white and yellow. But as per this Tactical Urbanization's guidebook, is different color can be used.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think my question was pertaining to adhering to the parameters, because anything that distracts the concentration of the driver, resulting in possible accidents, are to be adhered to.
Sir, based on this particular Tactical Urbanism guidebook by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India, the interventions have been taken as per that guidebook, sir. And definitely, sir, we are going to be more extra careful. I'll take the suggestion. We will audit the whole thing. But my point being, sir, ultimately that this is being done, as I said, overall as part of the master plan. And hopefully, as per our policy, we'll be creating about 30% of the road for non-motorized transport. And from there, our intention is to create this walking space so that people can then walk. And as I said, let me assure the House that we have taken most of the areas and aspects into consideration. We'd be happy to take more suggestions if we have any, because this is for the good of the people of Shillong City.
Leader of